Good day, good day. It's your boy, better get your man, MARKELPRINES, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, and currently no shave right now, but we still make money from home. In today's video, we're gonna have another food for action, or as I call it, affiliate marketing, food for action moment. Now, this message right here, this is about email marketing. How important is your email list to you? Now, we're going to hear from one of our business partners, and he's going to tell you exactly how he feels about email lists. Let's get to it. The fastest way to make 6 figures in affiliate marketing starts by going here and clicking on here, which will take you to here, where you'll complete all of these for free, and then just wait for these. Okay, family, so we're back, and of course, like I said before, this is your affiliate marketing food for action moment, and right here we have a message, and it's about growing your email list. It's from one of our business partners. And this right here, I really hope that I don't butcher your name. So, in Alchem Z, hopefully I said that correctly. This message right here is from our awesome business partner, and he wants to tell you something about email marketing. So let's get to the message. So they say, focus on growing lists all of the time, as newer subscribers are more engaged, adding to healthier open rates. An engaged email list is a more profitable list. As subscribers open your emails, they become more aware of your products and are more likely to make a purchase. Never stop growing your list. Engaged customers are important to your bottom line and help you maintain a solid reputation. Building an engaged list is an ongoing process, but one that's worth it. The ongoing efforts will ensure subscribers interact with your messages and boost email engagement, which prevents your emails from winding up in the spam folder. Awesome. So that right there is a great tip. You definitely want to engage new subscribers, and you want to have new people added to your email list on a consistent basis. And also, you want to be able to have those people open up those emails, read them, and click through to get to the next step that you actually want them to get to. So the bottom line is that growing your email list is essential. And with this system that myself and my business partner are a part of, you can definitely do that. So what I want to do, as usual, is invite you guys to join me and my business partners in this awesome opportunity. And as you can see their name on the screen right now, make sure you reach out to them, connect with them, see how they can be of assistance to you, and see how you can be of assistance to them, and how we can build a strong community of like-minded individuals that's all looking for the same goal, and that's to be able to make that passive residual income from home with affiliate marketing and be able to enjoy ourselves, having fun with people that we enjoy being around, making the money that we want and that we need to be able to support our family and live the lifestyles that we choose to live. Now, if that sounds like you and you want the opportunity to link with us and partner with us and actually do it for free, click the link in the description of this video. You'll be able to start your free affiliate marketing training and be able to connect with myself and other great business partners in our awesome community of over 130,000 members. So with that, it's your boy, better yet your man, MARKELPRINES, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home, and you can also. Have a great rest of your day.